Hey friends and fam, nice to see you here. At this point, we want to calculate 5049 divided by 11. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 5049 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 11 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 5 big enough for 11 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 11 is larger than 5. So we must take the next digit too. How many 11 are in 50? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 11, which gives us 44. Draw line and subtract 50 minus 44, which leaves us with 6. Now we bring down the next digit 4, and this makes our new number 64. How many 11 are in 64? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 11, which gives us 55. Draw line and subtract 64 minus 55, which leaves us with 9. Now we bring down the next digit 9, and this makes our new number 99. How many 11 are in 99? The answer is 9. Now multiply 9 by 11, which gives us 99. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 459. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.